Hi, my name is Mariana. Today I speak about my hobbies. I like cooking, watching movies, and reading books about romantic adventures and actions in my free time. And I love watching movies about this, but not romantic because I think it's very boring. I like to play with dogs because they are very funny and lovely. Although cats are independent, I don't like much. And I love dancing because I think I can enjoy express what I feel also allows me to be more free. Thank you.